Hey guys, Soccer from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have another massive leak from Random Stuff 2 that just recently leaked the actual Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And now what we have is a side-by-side comparison, a short comparison between the S21 Plus and the iPhone 12 Pro. Now looking at this Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, it looks almost as if that back is in fact plastic, like some of the leakers have been talking about. That back does not seem to be glass at all. It seems to be polycarbonate plastic. So I think that's what we're getting. We're not going to be getting glass on the S21 Plus unless it is based on region, because we are getting conflicting stories. But anyway, he's actually turning on the phone. Tiny bezels. He has some photos that he took with the S21 Plus, which look pretty good. Hard to tell at this level of quality, but that photo looks pretty good, as you would expect from a flagship smartphone. He's zooming in. Everything is nice and clear. And I'm actually looking at those tiny bezels. They look amazing. Okay, so as you know, every year they make the bezels even smaller and smaller. So now he's got the iPhone here. So he's going to log right in. Let's see what the camera looks like in there. I mean the photo. So there's the same two photos side by side. And again, they both look pretty good. They both look pretty good. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy screen looks a little bit brighter, but that might just be his brightness setting on the phone. But both of these photos look good. And as usual, in my opinion, the S21 Plus simply looks much superior from the front profile, because it does not have that notch. It only has that hole cutout. And of course, the bezels certainly are thinner than the iPhone 12 Pro. But fantastic little video. You know, we're looking at these things live, in real life, hands-on, and there we have it. And that's basically the video. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I'll drop a link to his channel and that video below if you want to go watch it. But again, iPhone 12 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And like I said, it seems to look like plastic. Anyway, drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Which one do you think looks better from the front and the back? The iPhone 12 Pro or the Galaxy S21 Plus? Guys, for now, have a fantastic day. We'll see you in the next video. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.